Fisherman's Retreat. Beautiful views. I'm out here. This is my first time out here. I seen it on Mr. Trucha's channel. Right there where that water's coming up, that's where you want to throw it. I've been here an hour, haven't had a hit yet. I don't see any. While the gentleman across there caught one. Today's Thursday, January the 6th. They're gonna stock it either tonight or tomorrow, they said. But it's pretty nice. Looks pretty shallow on this side over here. This side looks pretty good over here. Hopefully I catch a fish. If I don't, I will be back. I like it. It's a nice place, peaceful, nice to look at. Okay, this is... Got it, folks. We got it. We got it. Woo, feels like a big one. Feels like a big one. Here I am, folks. Oh my God. Here we go, folks. Here we go. We got it. We got it here. Fisherman's Retreat. Woo! Here we go, baby. Oh, this is not a little one. This is not a little one, folks. Oh my God. Oh my God. We got it. We got it. Unbelievable. Oh, we got it. We got it, folks. We got it. We got it. Oh my God. Oh my God, this is... Oh. We got it. Uh-oh. Here I am. Damien, check it out. Oh, I lost it. Lost it. Here. Okay, we got it again. Oh, we got it. We got it again, folks. This is another one. Hope I can bring this sucker in. Come on. Come on, come on. He's fine. It's a little one. Is it a regular? No, he's fine. He's fighting, folks. Just lost a big one. Just lost a big one right now. See, I can't see this guy. Oh, it's a lightning. Oh, we got it finally, folks. Lightning, yes. That's what we've been looking for, man. Oh, we got it. We got it. We got it, folks. Finally, a lightning. Bring it in. Just catch it. Just catch it. We got it. We got it here. Fisherman's Retreat. That's how you get a tire, folks. We got it, folks. We got it. Here we are, man. Got a hit. It worked perfect. Let's bring it up. Let's bring it up. Let's bring it up. He's getting tired. We got it. Yes, folks. Here it is. Woo, baby. Lightning. Here it is, baby. We got it, folks. Sang dang. Davian, Mr. Trucha. Lo agarramos, brother. Here it is, folks. Here it is. Keep trying, keep trying. They're sharp teeth, man. Tell you that much. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, let me get my grippers. He came back, buddy. We got it, folks. We got it finally. Finally, here it is. Woo! First lightning. First big lightning. Okay, sang dang. Here it is, buddy. We got it. It's a beauty. It's a beauty, folks. We did it. White and pink vice tail. Twice. I think the other one I had was bigger than this.
I'll show you pictures. I got one, two I got the other day, like twice the size of that. And then a guy, I thought mine were big. They're like 6 pounders. I thought mine were big. Fuck, this dude brings out like a fucking 15 pounder, dude. It was
dude, watch the language real quick.
Oh, sorry. Excuse my language. So sorry. So sorry.
It's okay.
Sorry.
So on the other one, man, he took me out.
Yeah, did he?
But damn, man, he just got the.
It took me like 30 minutes to get mine in, man. It was.
I played him perfectly, man. I had it on the drag loose.
Started over there, and he went all the way around, and he ended up here before he landed it, man. He went all the way around. And that thing, it was huge. It was a lightning trout, but I swear it was this big, and it was like this big.
Damn.
Like, dude,
this is my first real lightning. The other ones I caught little small ones.
2 pound with a jig, 2 pound cast.
This is my first time out here.
Is it?
Yeah.
We've been coming out here now. He comes out here years ago. He would come, but me and him just started about 4 weeks ago.
Hey, could you do me a favor? Take a picture.
But every time we've come out here, we've caught no less than like 8.
Wow, I was ready to leave.
We came out here 4 weeks ago, and I'm like, dude, we ain't gonna catch no fish, man. Then, you know, where it's a whole week since they stopped.
Take it right there.
Ready?
Yeah. Take a couple of them, please. Got it?
Yeah.
All right, buddy. Woo, man.
When I get my phone over here, I'll show you the pictures of all the fish.
Oh, damn, this is. Oh man, and you know what? He hit on the mice tail, so I said, man, I'm gonna throw one out, same place, boom.
You know, I caught one of mine on rainbow power bait, and then the other one I caught it on pink power bait.
Oh. All right, thank you, buddy. So here we go, folks. We got it. We got it. Hey, to all the viewers, man, we got it. Here it is, man. Fisherman's Retreat. It's happening. Okay, check that out. Check that beauty out. Check that out, folks. Look at that. Wow. Look at that beauty. What do you think, Gilbert? 2 pounds? Hey, shout out to all the viewers, man. Mr. Trucha. Gracias, man. Aquí estoy en tu lugar donde me dijiste. Miré tu video, brother. Aquí estoy, man. Yusel got a hit. Los